Alright YouTube, welcome back to a new video, and today I would like to show you guys my new commission sheet that I have just released on my Twitter at KoditeTM. So here it is, and after this I'm gonna hop into Photoshop and show you guys how I actually made this. But yeah, this right here is just for UI. I'm not sure if I'm going to be releasing a commission sheet for logos and other stuff, but okay, right here, user interface, pricing, introducing new importing services and latest offers, KoditeTM.com. That's my portfolio website. Pricing may vary, it should say by complexity, but anyways, first of all, for standard, $175 for US dollars, PayPal. High quality, 5 interface frames, exported assets. That means you will receive your assets in a zip folder with all the images. Professional service. What standard does not include is studio imported. High priority, and the source file delivery is 1 week. Okay, the next one is premium, $350, higher quality, 10 interface frames, exported assets, professional service, source file, priority, studio imported, and average 3 to 5 days for 100K. And the best option is legendary for 500, highest quality, 15 plus interface frames, exported assets, professional service, source file PSD, highest priority, and studio imported. I'll put the same ETA right here because it is 15 plus frames. Obviously that takes longer, so it's 150K right here. So yeah, that is my new commission sheet. Let me show you guys the frequently asked questions right here. What does studio imported mean? It'll be in RBXM. What details do I need? A Google document. Funds must be available. Funds must be available. Group or shirt. I accept both PayPal and Roblox. Okay, how fast will I receive my order? Order speed varies on priority and order queue. Purchasing a higher tier will place you higher in the queue with a higher priority. I am only one person, so orders have to be completed one at a time. So yeah, that's self-explanatory, right? Now I'm gonna hop into Photoshop and show you guys the layers. Alright, so if we take a look right here, first the pricing, the standard tier, and right here are the features basically. And if we go inside the tab, basically I just use a rectangle like this right here to make sure all these are proportional like that, and obviously I just hit them. This is obviously a rectangle, as you can see. I use the fill is actually on. It's the same color as the background because for this one, these actually have to go behind this. So yeah, we're gonna make sure fill is on with the same color. Okay. But yeah, that is the pricing. It's basically the same thing here. It's just different colors. And the fact is just on this page is pretty much just text. So yeah, that's my new commission sheet. If you want to contact me, hit me up on Twitter at KoditeTM. And yeah, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to stay tuned for more stuff coming soon. Just more stuff. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time.